What's good? It's your boy Jerome, aka J Got Body, here with free fitness tips to help you reach your fitness goals. Now in this video, I'm going to talk about the importance of combining intermittent fasting when you're doing the ketogenic diet. So you need to do both. Now let me explain. As you know from probably watching previous videos of mine, insulin, the fat storing hormone, is triggered when you eat carbohydrates and when you eat proteins. Alright, so fat is the only macronutrient that does not raise insulin. So if you're following the ketogenic diet but you're eating breakfast, lunch, snacks, dinner, and more snacks in between, now you're gonna still be in a fat storing state because you're still triggering insulin all day. Now don't get me wrong, some people, they're able to do it and still get a result. But I'm talking about, like I'm assuming you have the worst metabolism, worst liver, worst gallbladder. Like we gotta assume the worst situation for you, because then whatever you do, it's guaranteed to work because it's gonna be more extreme, right? So you don't want to start doing the ketogenic diet and eating a bunch of meals because you're still gonna be having the insulin release from the proteins. So what you want to do now is start eating in a 6 to 7 hour window. I know some people talk about like the 16-8, 16 hours, 16 hours fasting, 8 hours eating, but I really recommend condensing that to 6 to 7 hours. So maybe start having your first meal at 12, your last meal at 6 to 7, or first meal at 1, have your last meal at 7 or 8. Something like that is really gonna keep your insulin levels low during that fasted period. And because you're following the ketogenic diet, when you do actually break your fast, the insulin spike's not gonna be that high. So once you do stop eating again overnight, you're gonna be burning way more fat because now your growth hormone's gonna be high because your fasted insulin's gonna be low. Because that's the thing about growth hormone. The lower your insulin, the higher growth hormone. The higher insulin, the lower your growth hormone. And growth hormone's responsible for fat burning, reversing aging, muscle recovery, bones, like all of the things when we grow up as adults that help us stay young are amplified through growth hormone. So you really want to focus on keeping those insulin levels low, right? Please, if you like this video, leave a like, drop a comment below, and subscribe so we can spread the message of good health and fitness. All right, peace.